Hello, welcome to this episode of Auto Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. I am Lydia, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply multiple modifiers to your mesh all at once in Blender. Let's get started. So I have my UI here, and if I click on her skin, the character's skin, let me activate this. You see that she has three modifiers: the armature, subdivision, and the mask. So if I want this mask to be permanent, like cut off part of her body, all I have to do is just come down here and click on apply. Modifier can she has shape keys. So let's assume we want to remove the shape keys. So I'm going to remove this and then apply. Now this is permanent. That's for the meshes are no more there. So let me undo this. But with this method of applying everything all at once, if you've been following our tutorials before, you surely know this method, which is just Ctrl A, visual geometry to mesh. It's going to apply your modifiers, it's going to apply your subdivision. It doesn't tell you, a modifier cannot be applied to mesh with shape keys. It's not going to tell you that. It's just going to apply everything. So you have to make sure you have the right settings there already. Then Ctrl A, visual geometry to mesh. That way everything is permanent. Even the rig, everything is applied. Everything, the subdivision is applied. Let's say you don't want to apply the subdivision and you want to apply every other thing. Just remove the subdivision and Ctrl A, visual geometry to mesh. So with that, subdivision is not part of it. You can now Ctrl 1 to add your subdivision back and remove it as you like. So it's simple, it's fast. So if you have lots of like this now, Ctrl A, visual geometry to mesh, it's going to apply everything without stress, without battling with which one to apply first and all that. So it's simple, straightforward. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Levonotion Studios if you've not done so, and until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye bye.